Good morning, my dear boys. Welcome back to our YouTube class. On the last occasion, we completed reading Bliss, your textbook, including all the activities and writing activities also. And today, I am going to tell you something about our future plan. As we have completed reading the text, so now this is our assignment to discuss the questions and answers of the sets of questions given in your group in the blog of our school. You know, we have already discussed and we have also given it in the blog in an answered way. The first set of the questions, but there are set 2, 3, 4 and 5 also, and we have to discuss all of these questions. Today we are going to discuss a set 2 question. This is the question set for class 10 in any previous year in our school. So we have to answer this. I cannot write the answer on the question paper because this is in JPEG format and it was impossible for me, it seems to be impossible for me to convert it into Word file, and that is why I cannot write anything on this question paper. And that is why you can visualize the question, you can see the question, and you have to listen to the verbal answers given by me. Okay, মানে আমাদের এখন যেটা করতে হবে সেটা হলো আমাদের তো বইটা পড়া শেষ হয়ে গেছে। বইটা পড়া শেষ হয়ে গেছে মানে আমাদের টেক্সট হয়ে গেছে। এবার আমাদের পুরো সিলেবাসটায় আর যা যা কিছু আছে, ব্লিস ছাড়া আনসিন আছে, গ্রামার অ্যান্ড ভোকাবুলারি আছে, রাইটিং অ্যাক্টিভিটিসগুলো আছে, এগুলো আমাদের এখন ডিসকাস করতে হবে। তো সেটার জন্য আমাদের মাধ্যমিক বোর্ডের যে টেস্ট পেপারটা আছে সেটা আমরা করব। স্কুল যদি খুলে যায় এর মধ্যে তো তখন স্কুলেই হবে, আর তা না হলে তার আগে পর্যন্ত, তার আগে মাধ্যমিক বোর্ডে মানে পর্ষদের টেস্ট পেপারটা সলভ করার আগে আমাদের স্কুলের আগে বিভিন্ন বছরে যে প্রশ্নগুলো সেট করা হয়েছে, যেগুলো ব্লগে তোদের দেওয়া হয়েছে আর কি, সেট 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 এইভাবে সেট 1-এর আনসার্ড ফর্মে আমরা অলরেডি তোদের দিয়ে দিয়েছি সলভড ওয়েতে। তা এখন সেটার সেট 2 থেকে আমরা এইভাবে ডিসকাস করব ইউটিউবে আমাদের যে ভিডিওগুলো পোস্ট করা হয় সেগুলোতে, সেখান থেকে তোদের দেখে নিতে হবে। আমরা এটা ডিসকাস করব এখানে। তা সমস্যা হলো এই যে কোয়েশ্চেনটা, এটা ব্লগে দেয়া হয়েছিল জেপিইজি ফরম্যাটে। তো এটা যদি হতো, দ্যাট ইজ পিডিএফ হতো, আমি এটাকে ওয়ার্ডে কনভার্ট করতে পারতাম, কিন্তু জেপিইজিতে কনভার্ট করা যায় কি না আমি জানি না, আমি পারিনি। তো পারিনি বলে এটার এখানে কিছু লিখতে তো আমি পারবো না, আই ক্যান নট রাইট এনিথিং হিয়ার, যেহেতু এটা জেপিইজি ফরম্যাট। দেখ কিছু লেখার মতো অপশন আসছে না। ওকে, তো আমি ভার্বালি এর উত্তরগুলো দেব, মুখেই উত্তর দেব। I would answer the questions verbally and you have to listen to the answers given by me. Okay, so question number 1, the scene passage the passage from a prose lesson in that is mentioned in the Bliss. This passage has been taken from The Passing Away of Bapu, Unit 3. You can easily understand that this passage has been taken from The Passing Away of Bapu. So there is nothing to discuss about this passage because you have already gone through this passage, isn't it? Now let's come to the questions. Question number A, that is MCQ. MCQ, we have to pick out correct answer from the alternatives given. Question number A1, Gandhiji's ashes were taken to Allahabad blank day or days after the funeral. And the options are 1, 7, some 5. You can easily understand from the given passage that some days after the funeral. So here must be the appropriate option some. The appropriate option must be some. Gandhiji's ashes were taken to Allahabad some days after the funeral. That is C. Now, question number 2. The compartment was decked with just again try to see the answer from the given passage. The compartment was decked with, here the answer is here, the compartment was decked with flowers. So here the options are balloons, flowers, Gandhiji's pictures, lights. So this must be flowers, B. Question number 3. After the immersion of Gandhiji's ashes, everyone went back to again come to this point, come to the passage. Afterwards we all went back to Delhi. So the answer is Delhi. That is option number A. Next, question number 4, A4. After returning to his hometown, the author felt, 4 options are there, surprised, happy, confused, sad. You know, here there is a sentence. Afterwards we all went back to Delhi. Back in Delhi I felt at sea. I felt at sea. So she was absolutely confused. She was absolutely taken aback, puzzled, perplexed, isn't it? So the option should be C, confused. Okay, not sad but confused. She must be very sad. But here in the text, as we have got the information, she was confused. Next, question number 5. Gandhiji awakened people to one another's indifference, because here we can get the answer. He brought them out of indifference and awakened them to one another's sufferings. No. The answer is suffering, not indifference. Sorry, that is suffering. Because just try to understand. Don't make any mistake here. He brought them out of indifference and awakened them to one another's suffering. So Gandhiji brought people out of indifference but awakened them to one another's sufferings. Here the word mentioned in the question, Gandhiji awakened people. So the answer should not be indifference, but it should be suffering. That is C, option C. Now come to question number B, that is the completion of sentences with information from the text. These questions always carry 1 mark each. And B1, the train reached Allahabad. You have to furnish here only the answers, nothing else. The train reached Allahabad. Just try to see here. Amid song and prayer, the train reached Allahabad. Just try to see this portion. Amid song and prayer, the train reached Allahabad. So the answer is, the train reached Allahabad amid song and prayer. Okay. Next, question number 2. After Gandhiji's death, the author, that is very easy because you have just gone through it. Uh, After Gandhiji's death, the author felt at sea. It may be the answer. You may also answer that the magic circle had vanished, leaving her unprotected. But I think, as it is a one number question, that is a very short answer type question, it's better to write here felt at sea. Okay, nothing else. The author asked himself, it should have been herself. There is a mistake here. The author asked herself. Okay, you know, at the time of examination, we corrected these things. It sometimes happen. Such things sometimes happen due to printing mistake. The author asked herself. Okay. The author asked herself. You can find the answer here. What if now Bapu is gone? Or this is the answer. I asked myself, had Bapu lived and died for nothing? How could I so easily lose courage when he was no longer there? As this question carries only one mark, you should write this part. You have to make your answer on the basis of this part. Had Bapu lived and died for nothing? So, the author asked herself, if Bapu had lived and died for nothing. If Bapu had lived and died for nothing. Okay? Now, true-false test with supporting statement. And here, see, these are questions carrying 2 marks each because you have to write true or false, and after that you have to furnish the appropriate sentences or phrases or words in support of your answer. C1. The ashes were immersed in the river Yamuna. যাকে বাংলায় আমরা যমুনা বলি. The ashes were immersed in the river Yamuna. It must be a false statement because you can find here the ashes were immersed in the Ganges. So this is a false statement, as a supporting statement is the ashes were immersed in the Ganges. Okay, my boys. Next question, say 2. India would continue to live even after Bapu's death. It must be true. India would continue to live even after Bapu's death because the author finished her writing with a great optimism, with a great hope of carrying on with the ideal of Bapuji. So, India would continue to live even after Bapu's death. It must be a true statement. And the supporting statement you can find here. We were still there, young, strong, and proud to bear his banner before us. This is the supporting sentence here. We were still there, young, strong, and proud to bear his banner before us. Okay? Now we have completed the prose part of the scene portion. Now come to the poetry part, that is question number 2. And this is there are only 6 lines here. It has been extracted from my own true family. You have already gone through it in the YouTube class. So there are 6 lines from my own true family. Okay, I have nothing to discuss here because you know it very well. 2A1. Creeping in that is MCQ. Creeping in an oak wood, the poet was searching for a stag. Stag, because here, once I crept in an oak wood, I was looking for a stag. Very simple answer. Creeping in an oak wood, the poet was searching for a stag. Now question number 2. Whenever an oak tree is felled, the poet must plant. Just look here. Uh, there is no answer here. Okay. Uh, okay, no problem. You know, whenever an oak tree is felled, the poet must plant two trees. Two trees. There's a mistake. Uh, Perhaps a stanza or a part uh, has been left out in the question. Then question number 3. When the poet came out of the oak wood, his heart was that of a tree. That of a tree. That is also not mentioned here. After coming out of the oak wood, the poet's walk was that of a human child. My walk was his walk was like a human child, but his heart was a tree. So, human child. Because after coming out of the oak wood, the poet's walk was that of a human child. Okay. Next, B1. What happened when she opened up her little bag? When the woman opened up her little bag, the little boy began to quake. Just you can find the answer here. Then she began to cackle. She said, she opened up a little bag and I came twice awake. So the answer is, when the woman opened up a little bag, the boy came twice awake. The answer is, the boy came twice awake. Question number 2. What was the secret that she spoke she had? The answer is not in the poem. You have to think of it and answer it yourself. Still, I am helping you. What was the secret that she spoke she had? In the poem, the woman spoke about the secret that she had was that all the living creatures on earth have to depend on the vegetable world, and so there is an inseparable bond between the human beings and the trees and plants. Do you understand? That is the answer. You have to chalk this answer out of yourselves because the answer is not clearly given in the poem. Okay. So we have completed working out the scene part of this question, set 2, and the next day, tomorrow, we shall work out the unseen passage, and if the time permits, we shall also work out the grammar and vocabulary part 2. So goodbye for today.